everyone, my name is Angela and I am a staff member of the Office of International Services Student Life team. We are so excited to be partnering with Casa and to celebrate Dia de los Muertos. Today, I will be sharing with you how to make and decorate sugar skulls, or also called calaveras. This recipe is really simple, easy, and perfect to decorate for Dia de los Muertos or the Day of the Dead. So what you will need is 2 cups of sugar that I have already in this bowl. Then you will need 5 teaspoons of meringue powder, and also you will need 4 teaspoons of water. So first of all, you have to mix the ingredients well. It should not feel wet, but like damp sand. If it's not in the consistency yet, you may need to adjust your recipe depending on how your mix feels. But now I'm gonna mix all of this. And mix it well. So for example, if you feel that your mixture is too dry or crumbly, you can add another teaspoon of water. If it's too wet, you may add more water and then more meringue powder. But start with the measurements of 2 cups of sugar, 4 teaspoons of water, and 5 teaspoons of meringue powder. So the mixture should look something like this. When you are done mixing it, grab some of it, and if you bowl it in your fist, like this, and open your hand, it should keep its shape and not break apart or crack. That is the consistency we want, and this is when it's perfect for the next step. Once it keeps its shape and does not break apart, you can put it in the mold. Here is the mold. You will want to fill it up and pack it up really tight so there are no air bubbles. So I'm gonna do that now. And once you are done filling it up, you will want to gently flip the mold over a plate or a hard flat surface and leave it dry overnight. So I am going to use this cutting board and we're going to gently flip it over and it will look like this. Okay, so this is the before of how your skull should look like, and after leaving it dry overnight, it should look something like this. Alright, so now my sugar skulls are hard and they're ready to decorate. If yours are still soft or feel wet, you will need to let them air dry longer. I am going to decorate with paint. So we will need some, obviously, paint. We will need some water and some paint brushes. And we will need some paper so that we don't make a mess. So the skulls or calaveras in Spanish are decorative representations of the human skull and are associated with Dia de los Muertos. They're used as traditional treats and as offerings, known as ofrendas. And instead of sadness, this celebration is meant to celebrate the lives of loved ones that have died. So that is why the decorations are usually really colorful and really bright. I will show you how I'm going to decorate my sugar skulls, but this is the time where you can be really creative and have a lot of fun with it. So this is just an example of the final result of my sugar skull, and I also made other designs to show you that there are endless possibilities. Okay, so this is the final result of my sugar skulls, and I also made other designs, as you can see here, to show you that there are endless possibilities. So this is the one that I just made, as you can see here, and then the other ones are other designs that I decided to do. So Dia de los Muertos is celebrated from November 1st to November 2nd, and the first is reserved for the remembrance of children, and while the second is for adults. It is a tradition for Mexican families to gather, share food, and celebrate the lives of their loved ones that have passed. So this celebration includes decorating altars with food, with flowers, with photos, and also objects belong to the departed ones. So if you want to learn more about it, you can watch the movies The Book of Life or also Coco, that both are based on the festivities. And I hope you really enjoyed this video as I enjoy making it. And please tag us on social media at iu.ois to let us know how your candy skulls turn out. Bye!